Damn.
Hi.
Hey.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Oh my god, thank you. My name is JJ. What's yours?
My name's Italo.
Where you from?
From South Africa.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You're from New
South
York?
Africa. No, I'm from New Jersey. Right by New York.
Oh, you like it there?
Yeah. It's alright.
It's alright. How old are you?
Yeah. 17.
17. That's cool. I'm 18.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You have
Okay.
Insta?
Yeah.
Can I get your Insta?
Hold on, I'm gonna put it. Yeah, I got you. I'll put it in chat.
Okay, cool, yeah? I'll text you.
Alright, you gonna follow me?
Yeah. Right now.
How are you?
I'm so happy and grateful that the Lord has blessed me to play in some snow.
Hi, how you guys?
Good. How about you?
I'm good. Are you guys sisters?
No, cousins.
You guys are cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Hi.
Hey,
You good?
how are you?
I'm good. I love your thing in the back. That poster thing.
Robin.
Looks cool.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Seth.
You good? Are you good? Are you good?
Please stop this madness. What do you want from me?
What's your name, Said?
Sade.
Sade. You call it now. Fuck!
Chill.
Yo,
Yo, what's going on?
good.
Mm.
That's my cousin.
How old is she?
You like her?
Yeah, she's cute.
She's 16.
Hi.
Hi,
I know you.
I know you too.
We met before now,
Yeah.
but then you skipped me.
No, you skipped me.
Nah, dog, I'd never skip you. You skipped me.
On God, you skipped me from.
You lying? Yeah.
How old I look? Actually, you skipped me because of my age.
It's either you're 16 or you're 17.
I'm 16.
Hi.
Oh, say less.
What's so funny, man?
You.
And that hurts.
What?
That hurts.
Okay.
You're funny.
I know.
Yeah, what's your name? Yo, you're so pretty, I can't lie.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, how old are you?
18.
18? You lying, you're not 18.
So there's a 1 and then there's like an 8.
You look 16. That's crazy.
South Africa.
Yeah.
About to go back.
You also South African, man. You call it
Yeah.
Flats.
Finally, someone who understands what that means.
but call it.
Yeah, like explaining it to Americans.
You stay in the Key Flats.
No,
What are you doing here? Supposed to be sleeping, it's late.
you're supposed to be sleeping.
I'm supposed to be sleeping.
Yeah,
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Exactly, you're a kid, right?
How old are you?
Yes.
20.
Nah, 19.
You 1 year older than me. 1 year.
1 year.
And also, I'm legal, so what do you even mean?
Can I get your Insta? Seem cool.
Yeah, sure.
What did I just see?
That looks cool. What's your name?
Okay.
Sophie. You look cute. Are you Asian? Japanese?
I'm Mexican.
Your eyelashes look good. I'm like, yo, those are massive. You're gonna blow me away with your eyelashes. Can I see you? Inside face. Fuck! Chill.
Hi, Lee.
Hi, how you guys?
I am so happy and grateful that the Lord has blessed me to play in some snow.
I'm good.
How are
I'm so
you?
happy.
How are you?
I really like you, Leah. I have a good feeling about you. Yeah, me too. Wait,
Now that you guys
say hi, Laura.
Hi.
Hi, Lee.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Where are you from?
Oh,
We're on a sleepover right now, and it's actually a big birthday party sleepover. There's around 13 of us, and some of
We were just at the club and we just got home.
at the club. How old are you guys?
I'm 18. 16, 17.
I'm 16.
Yeah.
I feel like
We're kind of mixed ages.
Yeah, we're like
between 17 and 19. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
16.
I'm also 19.
You're 19. Damn, that's cool.
Yeah.
You look younger. That's a compliment.
Nah.
Not a day over 11. Yeah.
iPad, bro. That's not fair, little boy. And the sneak. Delicious.
Delicious. That's cool. You guys look beautiful. I can't lie. What are you guys?
Beautiful. She's beautiful.
What are you?
What do you mean? What's a fish? Blub 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 blub. Blub blub.
What are you? Ah.
Oh, what's going on?
Nothing. I don't even know what to do, bro. I'm just doing random things. Are you guys friends?
Yeah.
Sleepover.
No, we're neighbors.
That's dope. That's dope. What are you guys doing here?
Nothing.
Just talking to people.
Yeah.
You're cute. I can't lie.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Mia, what's yours?
My name is Litabo. Litabo.
Litabo?
Yeah. How old are you guys?
I'm 17. How old are you?
I'm 19. Yeah. You have Insta? Can I get your Insta?
Yeah, here. It has my middle name, so it's kind of hard to spell.
Okay. Sayona.
Yeah, Siona.
What are you? Mexican?
I'm not mixed, but I have some Mexican.
That's dope. Okay, now I'll check you, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Alright, have a good day. Bye.
Yeah, baby.